Sa paghahanap ng bagong kampiyon sa larangan ng Philippines Boxing ay nagliliwanag ang bagong pag-asa ngayong 2024.
Champion of the world, Jerwin Primo Queja!
Sa muling pagdayo ng ating kababayan sa Japan ay nakaatang sa balikat ng 31 anyos ngunit ang pasaning ito ay bubuhatin ng kanyang mga karanasan sa pakikipagbasagan ng muka sa mga kalaban. Jerwin Ancajas na may alias Pretty Boy na tubong Davao del Norte naging 4 na taong hari sa IBF Super Flyweight title at dito sa Bantamweight Division ay panibagong hamon ang kakaharapin ng kalaawiting champion. Target ng Pinoy na alisin ang nakaupo sa trono na si Takuma Inoue 27 anyos isa sa mga hari ng 118-pound division na kapatid ng monster ng Japan na Oya Inoue. Nakatakda ang bakbakan na yung buwan ng February 2024 sa bansang Japan sa tahanan ng Modedaya. Pagdating sa scorecard, ang kailangan natin dito ay patulugin ang kalaban. Mukhang hindi nila rinirespeto ang ating kababayan. Pero sa aking prediction mga idol, si Jerwin Ancajas ang bagong kampiyon ngayon 2024. Mga idol, balikan natin ang huling laban ni Pretty Boy at Takuma Inoue
Para makita din natin kung sino ba ang nakakalamang sa darating na sagupaan. Let's go!
Bago tayo magpatuloy mga idol ay pahingi naman ako ng like sa'yo at kung magustuhan mo naman idol ay pakishare mo na din. Salamat sa'yo, malaking tulong po yan sa akin.
Does, good point. Certainly the bigger puncher so far early on, targeting the body throughout.
He is roasting the ribs of Soto. Yeah, you're right. Soto looks, thus far, not merely technically outmatched, he looks physically outmatched.
Looking for his first victory since 2009, the southpaw stance. Missing with a big left hand, but a pair of right hooks on the inside. Continues to find himself cornered.
Man, which is infrequent already.
Now this continues to be a one shootout here for Ancajas, picking apart mostly the body, some good clean headshots here along the ropes. Head hunting as Ancajas enters finishing mode. So to slow down the action, but it seems like Ancajas can hit him with whatever he wants to.
Brilliant lead off that. Also, I just gotta say, Ancajas seems to have absolutely taken.
Absolutely. One big flurry against the ropes away from a style. Clean Ancajas has been able to land with these big shots.
Hell, he's been in the ring a few times, right? He's got a few way off. Was that a low blow there? And then the referee didn't jump in to intervene. And so they went back to boxing.
Be a borderline. Came back with one in the same. Kajas, maybe a little bit of payback, but this is not slowing.
This is so much longer, yeah.
Taking the knee is Soto, and that will do it.
Panalo si Jerwin Ancajas via technical knockout. Sunod natin si Takuma Inoue.
Napunta ay bisitahin mo naman ang channel natin Lucas TV. Salamat, God bless, ingat.